Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello and welcome, and thank you for joining us again, Gary, as always.
Great to be here.
Some great questions again today. We're going to get right to them. We've got a man on the street question.
Hey Gary, I'm curious. What is affluenza?
Very interesting question.
Affluenza. So it's a legal theory that a lawyer has advanced in defense of a defendant in a criminal case. Why does it matter? I guess the point of it was he's so affluent, the kid didn't know what he was doing. He can't appreciate that his actions were criminal. That's kind of crazy, but it's not a legal defense, I don't think. What a legal defense would say, as a matter of law, affluenza exonerates you from liability for this criminal act that we would otherwise want to punish. Because the whole point of the criminal law system really is to punish intentional conduct, not negligent conduct, not something you do without wanting it to happen. Now there's recklessness and wantonness that can supersede kind of the intent, but normally if it's not intended, then we don't punish it. So mens rea is the legal term that you learn in law school about why we have criminal law. So affluenza is I guess a way for the lawyer to try and argue he didn't have mens rea. There's no reason to punish this kid because he didn't intend it. He didn't know any better. I don't think it's working. I don't think it's really worked in that trial. So anyway, good question. That's what we're here to do, answer your questions, so keep them coming.
Very good. And we have an email viewer question. Okay, so this one I'm going to read. Is it discrimination if you are denied a position by your employer because of your military status?
All right. Well, the quick answer I think would be no. Military status is not a protected class. What we look to for discrimination is, and I'll read the list, race, color, disability, religion, sex, national origin, or age. So those are the protected classes. Those are the things the court has said we protect and don't allow to be a factor in making decisions. And so military status, maybe is there a rational basis for why they're discriminating? I think if it deals with National Guard service, say you're pulled down to the Mexican border with the National Guard, I think there's some protections for military in that situation, but it's not a protected class under the classic kind of discrimination case.
Oh, very good. Very interesting. Great questions again. Yes, thank you. Keep them coming. You can email to us, or maybe we can find you as a man on the street. Thank you so much for joining us today, Gary. We look forward to seeing you in the very next Legal Break.